Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is November 2024 Patreon Part 5, I believe. Don't not quote me on that. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. We'll be looking at D&D minis, Warhammer proxies, and figures. And we'll get straight to it. So we got Remoto. So we got the poll for, I believe this is for November. But we got Leafy on stuff. This is just figures. You can actually minimize this to make it into your actual proxy. I got a lot of questions on proxies, on stuff that I did for my Warhammer. I'll make a video on that tomorrow on Wednesday. So these are the ones that will be coming up. So we got Leafa from Sword Art Online, and we got Susie from Hololive. That's probably going to be our next figure. I didn't hear any announcement. Go please don't check them out. Ruben, we have 3 months of previous rewards. Then you get the recent project that's probably going to be ending up in November. And I believe December we'll be getting this. Yeah, this is December release. And they got one more, and we have one more as well. Vernus from Zero Zone Zentless. Leftman Shoe Studio. We have going to have Illidan versus Arthas probably for December. We got Syndragosa. That'll be up for your figure as well, or use it for your D&D campaign as well, or that Age of Sigmar, one of the undead army that uses the skeletal lich dragon. Yuki Studio, another figure as well. We got Benimaru from when I reincarnated into a slime. And we also have Clement Pokemon from Black and White, one of the gym leaders, electric type. We got New Skull Art. They do a lot of figures as well. This is November calendar for it. So we have, looks like Chun-Li fan art, and that'll be on December. We got Vampira, we got Mary Jane Sneak Peek, got Fade, and a whole bunch of stuff figure wise if you're interested in it. Very good figure. We paired a giant Wesker from this guy, this person as well. Next is my comments. Jens Sculpt H, another figure as well. This month is Sergeant Kalhan and Taki, if you're interested in it. The Real Factory. I don't think they're still alive. Oh, they're still alive. I'm surprised. Got Iron Skull Detonator. Probably good for your Chaos Proxy as well. It's actually pretty kind of cool looking. Yeah, Detonator. You got, those two so far. But you can probably use it as a proxy for your game. Merge Project Figure. This is your welcome pack. We'll be getting the Goku Power Ranger, the original Power Ranger, growing up. And a Needle King, and Needle Rand, or is it Nidorino? And we got Imperial Dramon, Digimon, and we got this one as well. I never watched this as a cartoon. I remember this in trailers, but never really got interested in it when I was a kid. Optium Clay Studio, another figure as well. Coming November, we got Darth Vader without his helmet. And looks like Venom from the new movie. I think we also got Sergeant Titus as well for exclusive gift. Young Blood Sculpt. We'll be getting Lady, BAB, Batgirl, Sub-Zero, and Shirley Perkins for your figure updates and so forth as well. If you're interested, there's Lady. Let me move this across. Lion Realm Studio. Another figure as well. So this is the previous one. And this is November. We got from Dan Da Dan, Jujutsu Kaisen, and Seven Deadly Sins. That'll be coming up for November. That's actually pretty cool. Wife wants to have this. I know that for a fact. But yeah. Check them out. Beast 3D. Another figure one. Your welcome pack. Reward. Looks like I got Gojo and Yosh Asakara from Shaman King. There's Gojo. Ashley likes Gojo and Naname. I could never get into Jujutsu Kaisen for some weird reason. I'm gonna delete this sucker while we continue on for it. But hopefully everyone having a good week. I'm just happy that I'm almost gonna be done with school in 2.5 weeks. So yeah, so this month's collection we got Nico, Robin, Saltier, and Mia. Previous month. This will be the previous month, and this is a welcome figure as well. We can look at it. Garden Titan, we got Nia, got Robin working out as well. I don't think Robin's finished, and so forth as well. Big Bad Evil. This is like a very cheap little small figures for it. I know they are doing a Kickstarter. If you guys are interested in it, go seek them out. This is where you want to do Spelljammer stuff. We want to get your mini. If you're doing Spelljammers all together for it, and it should help out with Spelljammer. So November looks like we are getting some angels, celestials in many ways for it. Let's see if we can get some pictures of some good celestial ones. I don't think we can. Well, we got these, so we got a lot of different type of celestial. If you're going to have angels from the astral plane to come and smite evil, or you work with them as well. Immature God. This is basically Warhammer proxy. I think we're still doing chaos. Yeah, even the Sisters of Battle turned chaos, and that's what I like too. I think they should have a lot more big old biddies into the fray, in my opinion. But let me know. It's actually pretty cool looking. I still haven't finished working on my Chaos Army yet. Rodin Studio. This is November. We got Naruto, Krillin, and Zero. That'll be your figure for it. The Sanji for One Piece. But yeah, they're going to be working on that as well. Little Paddy. This is another figure as well. This is from last month. I think this month we're getting Sniper Wolf. I don't know what anime this one is from. But yeah, working on that for the following month. Nymph 3D. We have, looks like Jinx is in the party. Then we got Maria. I think that's from Silent Hill. And Scarlet Black Shadow. They're working on. So this is November recap. Maria, Black Shadow, and these two are your previous ones of it. But it should be up towards the end of the month, in my opinion. But yeah, this will be good. Coming soon. That'll be next month. If you're interested in that, Sin Ma 3D Studio. Another Deborah Owen. Big old biddies. I think I got one more. Red Hood as well. That will be. These are the two poll winners for November. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Let's get to it. Morgan 8 Miniatures. I think there's another proxy they have. For Age of Sigmar. I'll say the Beast. And you have the Chaos. And this probably used for Necromunda for it. All links for this will be down below for you guys as well. Volcomancer sculpt. This is going to be figures. So we got Tyson. Do not know what that is. Kill la Kill. Not Sylvanas. Forgot her name from World of Warcraft. We got Lilith. And this is the recent one as well. I think this is past last year. It's cheap. It's $10 for it. And it looks pretty damn good. In my opinion, it is Survivor from Rust. Yeah. And these are your bonus ones as well. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.